Starting from India about 5,000 years ago, yoga has become a popular sport all over the world. Through thousands of years of development, the types of yoga are becoming more and more diversified. But generally, they are based on one main criterion, that is the synchronization of body and mind. After many years of introducing into Vietnam, it has grown rapidly and has gradually become a popular sport with many people. On VTC10 Net Việt, 21st of June is chosen as the International Yoga Day, but before that, many activities have been held in Vietnam to celebrate this International Yoga Day. To understand more about this festival, in today's program, we have a conversation with Mr. Gurdev Singh, the Vice President of the Asian Yoga Federation. So, thank you for joining us. The first question we'd like to ask you is 21st of June is chosen as the International Yoga Day. So can you share with us about the meaning and also the reasons why 21st of June is chosen as the International Yoga Day?
Maybe many people they are celebrating Yoga Day on the 21st June, but they don't know the meaning, why it's especially on 21st June. So this day is very special because it's in a northern hemisphere it's the longest day, and in a southern hemisphere it's the shortest day. So in many places, in different places, they have a very meaningful for the longest and shortest day. One of the reason is this. On the base of yoga, the reason is this is the first Purnima, like a full moon after a summer solstice, and we call it a Guru Purnima, and we also call it a Dakshina. So Guru Purnima is the day when the first yogi, Adi Yogi, Shiva, the Lord Shiva, he imparted the knowledge of yoga to the humankind. Yeah, so that's why we, our Honorable Prime Minister and our UNO decided to celebrate 21st June.
Yoga derives from India and it has the history of development of about 5,000 years. So until now, how is it being adopted in India and is it popular over there?
Before the yoga in India is not developed like nowadays. Yeah, before there is a people who practice yoga, and most of there is, like you can say, less people from India to learn yoga, but the more from the Western country to reach India to learn yoga. But nowadays, you can say the time for developing yoga in India as well. Most of the people start practicing yoga. Even nowadays in corporate world, they are having the yoga classes in their offices, in a school. So the yoga is now developed a lot. Yeah.
What are the advantages of yoga in comparison with other kinds of physical exercises?
There are a lot of advantages to practicing yoga, like simply we can stay healthy, stay happy. Many benefits of practicing yoga, like a stress-free life, you feel calm, you have more patience, you are more conscious, your awareness go on a very high level. So we can use our body and mind with higher potential. Yeah, it is very different from another kind of exercise. Why? You see, another exercise we do, we not aware about our body, we not aware about our breath. But in yoga, we synchronize our body movement for yoga asana practice, for our body movement with the synchronizing with the breathing, so we can elevate the consciousness. We aware about ourselves. You see, now we are, like for you sitting in a such way, maybe you are not conscious the which way you sit. It's unconsciously you take that position. In yoga, we do everything with the consciousness. Once you elevate, once you put your body in a conscious, with a conscious state, in a different posture or different sitting position or different standing position, you elevate your consciousness. You become more aware. You can understand the thing surrounding you. So yoga is different than all other exercises. It's totally different.
On the occasion of the International Yoga Day, many activities have been held by the Asian Yoga Federation and the Vietnam Yoga Federation. So can you share more with us about those activities?
Yeah, of course, because the people of Vietnam are very excited about the International Yoga Day, and there is a lot of places where we organize the such event for celebrating. Of course, we cannot do all the event on 21st June, so Vietnam Yoga Federation decide to do it in a different province on a different date, and I think it's almost celebrating in every city of Vietnam, or mostly every province of Vietnam, like we just did in Hanoi on 10th June, and it's very successful. Even more than 600 people join this and practice together and share the yoga knowledge. And this will be now in the next week. We also doing in Thu Temple next Sunday, and then next Sunday also in Quang Ngai City, Quang Binh City. On 23rd June, it will be celebrate on Ho Chi Minh, Kon Tum already, Hai Phong already, so it will be a lot of places we will celebrate, and Vietnamese people are very excited about that.
Wishing to contribute to improving the health and quality of life for the people in Vietnam, to celebrate the International Yoga Day 21st of June 2018, Asian Yoga Federation in coordination with the Vietnam Yoga Federation celebrate the International Yoga Day in many provinces across the country. The event has attracted 1,000 participants. This is the largest International Yoga Day ever to be held in Vietnam for all those who are interested in yoga.
Ngày hôm nay là thiên thời địa lợi nhân hòa, bởi vì ban sáng ra thì rất là mát mẻ, mọi người cảm thấy rất là thoải mái. Sau một thời gian khởi động thì ánh nắng bắt đầu lên, mọi thứ đều bừng sáng.
In Vietnam, yoga is booming. It is not just a training to improve physical and mental health. Many people are determined to pursue this sport and work hard in order to participate in major tournaments at home and abroad. A demonstration of the development of yoga in Vietnam is a professional tournament bringing together thousands of yoga lovers across the country at the Open Yoga Tournament, the Vietnam India Cup 2015, taking place at two locations in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. This is followed by the 24th Yoga Championship in Malaysia and other tournaments.
Hôm nay thì em đến đây để tham dự cuộc thi giải yoga toàn quốc lần thứ nhất được tổ chức tại Hà Nội. Thì em cảm thấy rất là vui vì khi mình được tham gia vào một cái giải thi đấu như thế này thì tâm trạng của em rất là sung sức ạ.
Been many years since yoga has been introduced in Vietnam. So what can you say about the way that Vietnamese people welcome or receive yoga in this country?
Yoga in Vietnam now is, like you can say, it's in the top priority of people for their health and happiness. You can see everywhere, you can see the yoga nowadays in Vietnam, and peoples are very warm welcome for yoga. That's why I always say that the Vietnamese people are very aware about their own health. They are very conscious about their health. It's not, if we go a little outside from yoga, you go any park in the morning or in the evening, you see a lot of people, hundreds or thousands of people practicing something. They are doing something. So that is very good. And when the yoga introduced to Vietnam, the people start loving yoga because of its numerous benefit, and people can have a very good health, like they can feel all the time happiness, so they welcome yoga.
Over the years, many international and national yoga competitions have been held and attracted the participation of a lot of Vietnamese people. So what can you say about the skill of Vietnamese people and also the understanding of Vietnamese people on yoga?
Vietnamese are very flexible. Yeah, they are very flexible and a good strength. So the skills of participating in a championship, yoga championship, Vietnamese are very talented and very good in that. You can see in a very short period, Vietnamese team, the first Vietnamese team official go to World Championship in Malaysia and be a second runner-up. After that, we have participated in 2 Asian Games and become the number 2. It's really great. You can see the very potential and the skill of a participant is very high. Even I believe if there is a more proper system to train them for the championship, Vietnam will become a number 1. Yeah, I believe that.
So after the International Yoga Day, what are the activities that the Asian Yoga Federation will do in order to promote yoga to more and more people here in Vietnam?
From Asian Yoga Federation, we are trying to cooperate with the Vietnam Yoga Federation to do some event here, and maybe in July we have a youth championship in Ho Chi Minh, and then we have in September, end of the September, we have Asian Yoga Championship in India. So the Vietnamese team will go to participate in there. And another hand, personally we are also trying to have some event on yoga that is more useful information or more knowledge, and people can understand or aware about the right prospect of yoga.
And finally, do you have any messages or advice that you want to share with the TV viewers?
Firstly, we all need yoga nowadays because the outside world is not in our control. You see, we develop a lot of things, technique, machines, plane, phone, all that things. It's come with a lot of advantage, but also with a disadvantage. Like you can see the pollution go very high, the noise go very high, people have more stress in life. So I advise everybody to practice yoga every day because yoga make us inner side strong, so we can fight or whatever the element coming from outside affect us of our health, we can make our body to fight with that. So yoga is very important. Do yoga every day. Try to understand more about yoga. Be aware of what you are doing. Choose the right teacher to learn. Don't rush. Yeah, go with flow. One more important thing is follow your body and respect your body. Don't see the things on a social media or Facebook or on another social media, Instagram. You see some teacher or some people doing some poses and you are a beginner and you try to push your body, push yourself beyond your limit to do same, but you don't forget that maybe that person to do that pose take a 10-year, 15-year of practice, and you want to try to do it within 1 month, you will surely injure yourself. Don't do that.
Once again, thank you for joining us, and we hope in the future there will be more and more activities on yoga to be organized in Vietnam to attract the participation of more and more Vietnamese people.
Thank you. Yeah.
And that's all we have for this episode of Sang Vietnam today. For comment and feedback, don't hesitate to write to us at sangvietnam@netvietTV.net. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.